Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about something small but important in bathroom design. Bathroom shower shelf ideas. Shower shelf can make your bathroom looks better and keep things organized. If you want to make your shower space more stylish and functional, stay with us. We have got some great ideas. Before we get into the idea, let's talk about why shower shelves are important. They give you a place to put your shower stuff so it's not all over the place. Please, they can make your bathroom look nice. Let's start with the basic bullet in shower shelf. These are shelves that are built right into the shower wall. They are simple and clean looking. Make your shower shelf fancy with some cool tiles design. You can use different tiles or make your shelves stand out and looks amazing. For a modern and clean look, try glass shelves. They make your shower feel more open and left you see everything on the shelves. Floating shelves are trendy and modern. They are floating on the wall, which gives you shower and cool and light feeling. Add some lights to your shower shelves. It's not only practical but also makes your shower look like a spa. Get creative by using different materials for your shelves. Mixing materials like stone and wood can give your shower a unique and stylish look. Think of your shelves as place for decoration. You can put decorative items, plants or art on your shower shelves to make them look cool. Change things up with curve or arch shelves. These shapes can make your shelf stand out and look special. Change things up with curved or arch shelves. These shapes can make your shower stand out and look special. Try making your own custom shelves. With a little creative and DIY skills, you can design shelves that are perfect for your style and needs. There you have it, cool bathroom shower shelves ideas that can make your shower better and more stylish. Whether you like simple bullet in shelves or want to get creative with materials and shapes, your shower can be the way you want it. If you found these shower shelf ideas helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more home improvement and decor tips.